Hi guys, it's Curvy and I'm back at you today with a new video. So today it's a very special video because obviously we are the week heading to Valentine's Day, and well, what is better than Valentine's? The week of love, the week of passion, and the week of Savage Fenty, obviously, because what is more sensual, passionate and beautiful than Savage, to be honest? Well, this year they put the game like super high, so I have a few sets that I just wanted to show you. Basically, some of them I bought them, some others because I am a Savage Fenty ambassador, so some of them I get them every month, but some of those are just the ones that I bought myself because I love them so much that I absolutely wanted them all. So at least you know about it. Anywho, if that's the first time you're connected to my video, well, my name is Alexia and I'm here on YouTube under the name Curvy. And if you do know me via Instagram, well, my name is Curvy28. So I'm a plus size blogger, fashion, beauty, everything about lifestyle for plus size women, and I've been online for about 3 years now. I'm a French girl, so that's how you feel the accent if you can hear it. Obviously that's where I come from. And well, regularly I'm doing some reviews of the outfits I buy, and this week, obviously leading to Valentine's, that's what we're gonna talk about underwear. So it's getting hot. Anywho, just to finish, if you haven't registered yet to my channel, if you're not subscribed yet, well, please go click so you can follow me and that you will be one of my new subscribers. And if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, same thing, just follow my page, okay? So let's start by the the very first item I've ordered. So this one is part actually of the sets I've ordered. So it's called the Savage X cotton jersey crop top. So it's a crop t-shirt basically, and it goes with the shorts. There you are. So basically, to show you, so we have a round neck, like tight round neck but pretty elastic, so you really don't feel like you're strangling yourself or anything. It's crop, as you can see here, and you have this nice elastic band all under, and it's written, well, Savage X Fenty. And as you can see, all the patterns or the prints are actually Savage X logos everywhere. It does exist in a few different colors. I think it was in yellow, I've seen some purple. There's actually quite a few colors. It's actually super cute, I really like it. So the shorts itself are high waist, as you can see. So high waist shorts, same thing, same pattern. To be honest, I would call it a high-waisted knickers, they call it shorts, but that's how it is. Same thing, same elastic here around the waist, written Savage X Fenty. And I took a 2X. Well, funny enough, I actually chose a 3X. Savage sent me the wrong order. I received a 2X instead, and it actually fits perfectly. So thank you. Thank you for sending me the wrong size, because probably the other one would have been too big, but at least that's a good indication, because it's really stretched and the cotton is of great quality. You can probably size, I'm not gonna say slightly down, but yeah, I'm normally between 2X and 3X, and I definitely needed the 2X here, so at least you know. Let's move on to the next one. So here, this is a set that has been given to me, sent to me as one of the ambassador program that I'm doing with Savage. So let me show you this beauty. So it is a bustier, lace bustier. Let me show you a bit closer. So yes. So it's called a Floral Glow Blackness Garter Skirt and Bustier. I'm going to show you the garter skirt in a second. So if you can see, so basically it is an underline, so there's no underwire, at least, which is good actually. It's more like a bralette kind of thing, like not too much like a real bra. And you have this stretch, it's very stretchy at the back, you can see. And as you can see, the back is actually really thick, because you have, it's like a very large bra, so there's a lot of support, which is actually really great, especially for plus size women when we have like quite a big breasts, so you need to maintain them, and that's actually a very good quality. The rest is a mix between lace, so here, let me show you a bit closer the details of the lace, and some fishnet. Let me show you a bit closer also. Yes, it's a mix of fishnet in this. And at the back, well, some of them put it as an X. I have it with a normal straight back, but I know that you can basically take them out and you can do an X at the back, which is also very nice. You will see it on the website very easily. But it goes with the garter skirt. So let me show you that. I don't even know in which order to start. So there we are. So that's the garter skirt. So same as the bustier, it is a mix of mesh material and the lace at the front, which is like super cute. But for the cheeky ones, you will know that there is no back. So if you see, it's basically completely open at the back. So you really need to wear something under. Well, if you don't, you can't. You don't have to. But I do wear something under, to be honest with you. But the stretch, same thing, is very good. And you have the straps to hang the suspenders, which is really nice. Also very good quality. It's very feminine. I mean, honestly, you always have every single detail is really cute about it. That's what I really like. But if you want to see the result, actually go on my Instagram and check my pictures, because I did take a few pictures in that set and it was amazing. I really love it. So have a look. Definitely advise you to. Let's go to the next one. So oh, sorry, I forgot actually to mention before we move on to the next. The bustier and the garter skirt are both in 3X this time. So at least you know how to base yourself. And if 3X doesn't mean really a lot to you, which makes sense also, because obviously you might not know that about me. I'm a size 20 in UK, so an American about 16. So 18, 20 in England, and in Europe there should be about a size 48, to give you an idea about how they're sizing. So let's move on to the next one. So here we have my ultimate favorite. I wasn't planning to show it before Valentine's, but obviously I need to review it. So this is this bra, which is like just completely amazing. So it's called the Linking Heart Embroidery Lace Black Balconette Bra. Sorry, the name is actually pretty long. So let me show you the pattern. Like, the design is amazing. I mean, it's just so beautiful with all the hearts. It's like full of tulle hearts. It's a mix of red and pink, so like a very neon kind of pink and red. It is underwire. There's underwire under, so it's a hard bra, not a bralette. And you have, so as I was saying just now, this embroidered kind of tulle heart, which is super cute. You have also the strap, on the strap, those mini bows, which is super nice also. It's very feminine. I mean, there's nothing to say, like, it's the ultimate gift, I would say, for Valentine's. This is a 42D. This is my regular size. That's the size I'm taking normally for Savage Fenty. I would say maybe I should take a DD, but that's me not really being good sometimes at taking the right size for my bra. The back is perfect, so 42 is definitely the right one. However, maybe I should have taken this half a size cup up. So but besides this, look, it's actually really perfect. The straps are solid and it's pretty thick back also. So no, definitely, and the quality is amazing. So moving on, actually it goes with the thong, so a G-string. So let me show you properly. So you have the G-string going with it. Same reference, obviously, you can see at the front. And what is amazing is actually the back. Sorry, it's really a G-string, very. But you have the little heart here, and look at this. It's so cute. What I love about Savage is really the details. To be honest, they really like. Yes, every single detail is thought about, so you can't get it wrong. I mean, like, it's really sexy, and that's probably the one I will wear on Valentine's night. It's a thong. I'm not really too used to wear thongs, so the fupa part is not really the happiest with me. I tend to hide it with high-waist sneakers, but I have to learn, and like everybody, I mean, confidence is key. So and confidence can be sexy also, so I am learning and I'm working on myself so I can wear thongs a bit more often. So this is definitely going to be my challenge, at least you know. And in terms of sizing, I actually took a 3X, and this is perfect in terms of sizing. That's definitely what I needed. So we're gonna move to the next one, which is the candy bra, the candy heart bra. But I also have the bralettes, and I also have like quite a few of that collection. So some of them is the one I got for this month from Savage. Some of the ones I bought myself. So this is the bra, and I bought it myself. Same size. It is a 42D, as I mentioned earlier. So black, obviously, bra, which is they call like a black caviar. That's the name of the reference. And basically, look at the details. That's what I love. It's like all those candy hearts written love everywhere on it, and it's a mix of like lace and the candy hearts. So that's what makes it like super cute. So it's a balconette bra for this one. And you have the underwire. So this is the one with underwire, and at the front, if you check, you will see that there's a little charm. So it's all about the details. So the bra is linked in the middle by the little charm. Okay, and then all the rest is the love lace, basically the candy heart with written love on it. The back is the same, pretty strong straps and pretty strong back in terms of sizing, same as the other one. As I say, probably 42DD will be the best for me, but that's true that depending on the brands, sometimes I need a 42D, sometimes a 42E, so I'm never too sure. So this time I will know DD will be definitely the best option for me. But still, it fits perfectly, it holds really well, so no problem at all. But so as I was explaining, it's not the only thing I got, because funny enough, I did order the set before receiving my set from Savage this month, and it's actually from the same collection, but I bought the bra for myself and they sent me the bralettes. So to show you the bralette, so it will be the same, but obviously without the underwire. So it depends, I guess nowadays a lot of women don't wear underwire bra anymore, so if you feel more comfortable not wearing it, it's actually really strong. Even though there's no underwire, the quality is actually really amazing. So let me show you. So the same material, but without the underwire, you have that extra piece in the middle of lace, a bit more cream beige in the middle of the rest of the bra, which is fully black. This is only for the plus size one, funny enough. I think the ladies that are like smaller breasts, they don't have that little extra piece in the middle. Like there's another version of that bralette, but for the plus size they did add this, so I'm guessing there must be a reason behind it, definitely. But if you check the back compared to the bra that was having like a very simple back, you can see that it's actually much more designed, and you have the little charm also in the middle where it's written love, which is like super cute. And you have quite a lot of straps. You have like a whole square at the back, so it's really nice, really complete. That's the set that I'm gonna take this week actually, so hopefully you're gonna like the pictures. I will plan to post them on my Instagram like between now and Sunday anyway, so I'll let you know. And it comes with different things, so have a look. So first let's start with the gloves, okay, because that's what they sent me, and it comes so with the gloves. So they call the candy heart mesh gloves, so good size. It's like what they call opera kind of lengths, so all mesh. Let me see, let's try that. Hopefully it will fit. So that's how it looks. It's actually really sexy, and it's very comfortable, and the material is so thin and great quality. You can feel it right away when you're wearing it. I feel like doing this, you know, all the time. But so it's a whole mesh like the other one, and really strong material around the fingers. Don't know if you can see, but it's really like a thick sewing around. So very classy. I love it. So that's the gloves that goes with it. And then we have the panty. And the panty was definitely something that I wasn't expecting. If you know me, you would know that that's normally what the kind of things I would wear, but still, anyway, that's part of my set this month. So it's actually called a crotchless trapinike. So I'm learning things every day. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, so it's crotchless. No other word, I don't even know how to say it properly, but basically everything is out, so at least you know. So I really had a massive love when I received it, because I wasn't expecting that. It's normally coming with a thong, and I had this instead. Well, hey, it's Valentine's, so if you don't try it out, you never try, do you? So it's a mid-rise, it's a high waist almost, so at least it's really comfortable, and where you can have it up to this level. So yes, mid-rise. Quality is amazing. It's the same as all the others, like the Bralette. All the lace is having like the mini hearts, as you can see, so the whole candy hearts. And then, well, basically you just have minimal coverage, yeah, that's for sure. And also you have this strappy lace at the back, so all the back is on the strap that put on your bottom. So all here basically is just straps, which is actually pretty sexy. I tried it on and I really like that part. And at the front is the same. So for my pictures, I will probably wear a thong, knicker under. I won't lie, I will not post the picture this way on Instagram, but to wear just around the waist and everything, it's actually really sexy and beautiful. So it is a 3X also, and it fits perfectly in terms of sizing. So yeah, definitely take your normal size. Listen, I think I have shown you everything. I just didn't think it would go so quick. Well, guys, that's it for today, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it, and I hope you ladies will have some very sexy underwear to wear for next Sunday. And for you gentlemen, if you're watching that video, well, I hope you will treat those ladies with some nice underwear, because they definitely deserve it. So well, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and also please follow me on Instagram under the name CurvyLexi28. Okay, so one last thing, YouTube is CurvyLexi and Instagram is CurvyLexi28. Okay, and that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. As I say, if you have some like nice advice regarding underwear, if there's some you already bought from Savage and you want to tell me which ones you bought, or if you have some questions about the one I purchased or the one that I got from Savage Fenty, please guys, honestly, send me all your questions, drop comments below. I will be more than happy to answer you. Okay, so you take care. Happy Valentine's to everyone. I hope you have a great time with your partners, or even with your friends if you celebrate it as a galentine like we say in the UK. And I'll speak to you soon. Okay, bye.